bras, you know, girl stuff.
But anyways, hopefully you didn't hear my dogs. Hopefully. But let's just get on to the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Giselle. Today's video is super exciting because I'm finally showing y'all my makeup collection. I know, it's been like super requested ever since I made a channel. I just, first of all, never want people to think that I'm showing off. That's not how or who I am. Like, that's just not how I roll. I really hope you guys know that about me if you know me personally. So if you don't like watching these videos, don't watch them. Go to a different one. I have some more in my channel. By the way, excuse my hands are super orange because self-tanner went wrong. Yeah, I'm good at self-tanning, it's always the hands. They always come out orange. Anyways, two, I also just never really want to record one because I never liked how my makeup collection looked because it was just too much, or the drawers I had were too messy looking, and I knew that people would be like. But I'm really happy with my makeup collection now because I've mentioned this before in prior videos. If you know what I'm talking about, please give it a thumbs up. Alright, so when you buy so much makeup, you're like, oh yes, so exciting, but then you don't use it after a couple weeks, months, days even, and you end up with so much crap. At the end of the day, it's just powder in a compact, and you end up with so much and then you don't even know what you have anymore. And I've been decluttering my makeup collection for a couple years now, and I'm super happy with it. I think I can finally say I use up 90% of my makeup collection. The other 10% is either because it's foundation and I don't use every foundation in there, or it's glitter and I don't use glitter every single day. So if you have a lot of makeup, you should do that too. You should declutter, you should go through it, give it away to people who you know will use it, you know? Be resourceful and helpful. Be nice to people and give away your makeup. Sell it if you have to, like $10. Like $10 a palette. That's what I did. I sold like little single shadows for $3 to get rid of them because those are the most annoying. In my collection, I can say I hate single shadows because you don't use them a lot. But anyways, hopefully you didn't hear my dogs. Hopefully. But let's just get on to the video. So first of all, sorry for the raunchiness because my sister didn't know I was gonna record this, and that's her side of the vanity. But anyways, so this has like a bunch of our jewelry, and this drawer is mostly mine.
Jesus, my hand.
Anyway, so these are all of my false lashes. I have some tools in the front. Then in here I have foundations and brushes for my clients and disposable stuff back there. In here there's some jewelry. In here that's her palettes. And then in here there's like electronics. In here,
bras, you know, girl stuff.
And I have sponges, some tools I use for makeup. I have in here, I have like under eye masks and a mirror. Did I say that already? Well, I have a mirror. Then going over here, that's my side, and that's where all my makeup is at, so I'll show y'all that too. So starting off at the top, I have a lot of my perfumes. And in here I have like a little pelican, I think that's what it is, from the beach. My boyfriend got me this from Mexico. Y traté de hacer esto, but girl, it's hard. Like, this is a joke, so I just kind of tuck it in there. Occasionally remind myself, no limpié. My mom's gonna kill me. It's like dusty. I know, que vergüenza. But yeah. Now, first drawer, it's kind of messy and gross, but have glasses from Key, some reading glasses from Walmart. Shout out to them, letting me see life clearly. And I have contacts, again, from Walmart. I have toner, I have some gummies, which, by the way, these taste amazing, and I've gotten compliments on how shiny my hair is. You should try them. Then I have, like, melatonin when I can't sleep at night, 10 milligrams, of course. I have perfume, travel thingies. I have deodorant. Then in here are my single shadows. I have highlighters that I use as eyeshadows. And I have a bunch of pigments from MAC. I have the Stila Liquid Wand glitters. And then here I have kind of boring stuff, honestly. I have some pomades. These are for me, and then these are for clients, by the way. So these are my like powders. I have a pencil from Revlon, Benefit gels, a Maybelline one, my mascaras that I use. Like L'Oreal is really good at making them, and this is from Maybelline I'm trying to use, but it smells like protein, like a protein shake. And I have Monsieur Big and waterproof. It's really good. And some liquid and gel liners in the middle. Then in this drawer is where I have all of my foundation primers, setting sprays, some like Fix Plus. I have this one from Milani, which I've told you guys I've been loving. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave it on the screen. That's where I show most of this makeup. This one's really good. I really like the cucumber one. I have like eyeshadow primers. Honestly, I don't use this anymore because I use concealer, but this one is really good compared to like the Urban Decay one. Some primers for the face, like I said. I have this one from Origins, this brand J1 Jelly Pack, Becca Skin Perfector, like a illuminator for your body, I guess. And then I have Becca again. I have some Makeup Forever, Benefit. This one I love. It's like a lotion primer. It's from First Aid Beauty. I have a liquid bronzer from Wet n Wild. I have an Hourglass primer veil. And then the next drawer has all of my foundations. I actually had a lot more, but I've been using them or giving them away, like I said. I'm really happy with what I have right now because I really am trying to use up some of these so I can go buy the NARS one, to be honest. So in here I have this powder because if I see it in here, I will try to use it more. This is the Hourglass, their Luminous Light Powder, and I don't know why I bought this. YouTubers are talking about it, and honestly, it's just not worth $50 or whatever this is. But I like their setting powder. This is really good. I have it on my face, and I think it's worth this is $16 per person. I got the travel one because I'm not going to purchase a big one yet. I have my Airspun powder. I have some Makeup Forever, MAC, Revlon.
Well, that is
not Revlon, that is L'Oreal. I have Marc Jacobs, I have Wet n Wild, I have Lancome. Honestly, do not like this foundation, but I paid way too much and I'm trying to use it up. Makeup Forever, I have some LA Girl and CoverGirl. Over here I have all my concealers. I have LA Girl, Tarte, NARS, Smashbox. I have this primer, so I'm trying to use this one up, so I remind myself by keeping it in this drawer. Oh, and lastly, this is a body illuminating powder from Laura Mercier in the shade Candlelight. Now in this next drawer, it's personally one of my favorites. I have bronzers, I have blushes, and some blushes, but most are highlighters. So I have my Anastasia ones that come in the kit, my Becca Jaclyn Hill palette here, my Tarte highlighting palette. It's called like the Twinkling something palette. I have this Heart Too Faced blush. I have MAC highlighters. So I have some limited edition ones here. I have some of the Katie and Desi ones. I have some of the limited edition Becca packaging. I have the original ones. I have some Too Faced over here. I have Essence, Urban Decay, Jouer, Anastasia. I have the Laura Mercier one, Benefit Twinkle. Anastasia blushes, some from Burt's Bees, Milani, MAC, Benefit, Bare Minerals, Tarte, and NARS. For bronzers, I have the Selena MAC one, which I don't use. I don't like the formula, but I love the packaging. I have some from Urban Decay, NYC, which they don't make anymore, which is really sad. I love that brand a lot. Too Faced, I have a little one here. I have Tarte. I have the Hula one. It's very iconic and really good. I have Bahama Mama from The Balm. I have this little palette, which I really love, and I thought I wouldn't use it much, but girl, let me tell you, it smells good, and the formula is amazing of all three products. I think Tarte may have this on their website, but I'm not really sure. But if you guys find it, you guys should purchase it. Then, down here, I have my lipstick drawer. This has lipsticks here. And then I have like liquid lipsticks, but they're not really as drying, so they're like lipstick slash liquid lipsticks. I have some glosses here in this one area because I don't really like lip glosses a lot. And then over here I have Ofra liquid lipsticks, some Smashbox, some from Flower Cosmetics. From The Balm, I have some from Jeffree Star back here. I have some from Kat Von D, Huda, Stila, which I do have quite a few right here. I have some Dose of Colors. I love the packaging of this one in particular. It's from Tarte. It's in the shade Beach Babe. There are a bunch of nudes, honestly, because a girl can never have too many nudes. And this orange color, I have a lot of these in my collection. I also love like plumish purple shades, like fuchsia ones. I think that's one of my favorite colors to wear when it's not nude. The iconic Fenty Beauty red liquid lipstick. I think this is the best red liquid lipstick. It never budged and it felt so comfortable on the lips. This one, let me show you. So Stila Beso used to be my favorite liquid lipstick in a red, but ever since I found this one, I am head over heels in love with it. I think the formula is awesome. It's not drying and it lasts a very long time. Then I have some liners back here, which honestly I don't have too many of them because I don't use them that often. Then this is where I have all of my eyeshadow palettes in these last two drawers. So in this drawer I have the eyeshadow palettes that I use most of the time. So in here I have some of the Jaclyn Hill Volt collection, my one Urban Decay palette, the Naked 2. I have one Too Faced palette in the peach one. I have some Huda Beauty Obsession palettes here, which they're super cute, and I love the formula of them for being like so compact. You would think that she would change the quality, but they're really good. Some NYX. These are my Tarte ones. I can get them out. My Tarte lip ones. I have this peach one from Too Faced, and then my other Tarte lip palette here. I have the Lunar Beauty one from Manny MUA. I have some Juvia's Place. I also have some back there, just like two more palettes that didn't fit here. I have the Tarte one that I really like. Manny's collab with Makeup Geek, which is so good. It's unfortunate they don't sell that anymore. Another Juvia's Place palette. This is more neutral. Let me show y'all. They're known for being like crazy pigmented and colorful colors, but this one's the most neutral one they have. I have another Huda Beauty one. I have Urban Decay's Electric palette. This is so old but dear to my heart, so I can't really let go of it. I have all of my Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes here. I really do like these. The last drawer is, oh wait, I didn't even show y'all this one in particular. You guys can find it. I found mine at Kohl's. Go get you the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. This one is full of colorful colors, but some neutrals, and the quality is amazing. For the price, I'm telling you, this is very pigmented. Oh, in the last drawer, the palettes are too big to fit up here, so maybe asking, why do I have this one all by itself laying down? Because first of all, it's shattered. Like I dropped it and it's super oily, as you can tell. Anastasia doesn't make it anymore, so I'm really bummed out. I'm trying to conserve it as much as I can. So for the Jaclyn Hill palette, I have the Morphe 350. I have the 350 matte. And then, whoa, this is like a lot. So sorry. I have another Morphe palette down there, like the big one. And then underneath that, I have the Kat Von D Mi Vida Loca palette. It's down there. I don't know if y'all can see that. And I have the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette. This is the deluxe one. I'm really happy that I got it because honestly, these are so good. The eyeshadows are okay. You get what you paid for, but these highlighters are super creamy and they're super like glowy. They're not shimmery, so I like that. And then on the side here I have Makeup Geek, which I do pop these out once in a while and I use them on my eyes. Some contour kits. I have Anastasia, and then I have some Lorac and Kat Von D. Let me show y'all. This one is probably one of the most used palettes I have in my collection. I have this Laura Geller highlight palette, which has all of my favorite highlighters. I think these are one of my favorite formulas, and if you guys want a really good highlighter that's not glittery, these are so good. And lastly, I have my IT Cosmetics Vitality Face Disc, and I love bringing this whenever I have to go on a trip because look at the mirror, it's huge. But these are really good colors, and the formula is great. Alrighty guys, well I think that's all of my makeup. I mean, I know that's all my makeup, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm so sorry that you're seeing my orange finger. I just don't really want to show my face right now. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. And I will see you guys in my next video.